Hi everybody! In this video, we're going to learn how to download the data files for our course into the virtual desktop. It's a bit of a rabbit hole, so that's why we're going to do this together. It's harder than you'd think. Okay, so I want you to notice a couple of things. I've already launched Google Chrome from my laptop. So I've launched Google Chrome. I've been logged into Blackboard. I went to our class and I logged in to the virtual desktop via Blackboard. All right, so here's my virtual desktop. Now it's going to get a little deeper. We're going to sort of dig ourselves a little bit deeper down. What we need to do is, in the virtual desktop, launch a web browser. So just to help wrap my mind around this, I'm going to launch a different web browser. I'm not going to use Google Chrome again. I'm going to use Firefox, just for something different. If you're comfortable using the same web browser, it's fine. You can use whatever web browser you want, but you have to launch the web browser within your virtual desktop. Okay, so I'm going to start Firefox, and I'll remember that working in my virtual desktop is slower than working on my regular laptop. So I'll be patient as that software loads, as that web browser loads. Okay, so here's my here's another web browser that's running. Notice I'm not logged into Blackboard, right, because this is a different session. So I'm going to click on current students, and then I'm going to find the link for Blackboard, and I have to log in again because I'm in a different session of Blackboard. I'm not in the same session. Okay, so I have to scroll down. Come on, virtual desktop. Not working very quickly here, but I have to log in all over again because I'm in a new session. I'm within Blackboard, within my virtual desktop. So I'll go ahead and get logged in, and I'll advance to our class, and I'll meet you there in just a second. Okay, I'm back. Here we are. I'm within Blackboard in my virtual desktop. And the way I can sort of double check this is, notice, so here's my little Blackboard in my virtual desktop. Above that is Blackboard in my own laptop. So I'm still within my virtual desktop. And in fact, I can make this window a little bit smaller. Let me try that again, see if I can. Oh, it's too big. I can't make it any smaller. But within this second version of Blackboard, now I can click on data files and I can download all of the data files. I'm going to go ahead and right click and choose Save Link As, and I'm going to save it to my virtual desktop. What it's showing me here is my virtual desktop. Right? I warned you, it's a rabbit hole. I'm going to call it Student Data Files, and I'll just give it an extra name like New so that I know it's different from my personal laptop, and I'll go ahead and click Save to let that download. If you have any questions or problems with this activity, please email your instructor right away.